In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check active domains and renewal dates in the Google Admin Console. To get started, open the main dashboard view of the Google Admin Console. This is the central place where domain and account settings are managed, so once you're here, you'll have access to the tools you need for reviewing your organization's domain information. Make sure the dashboard has fully loaded so all menu options are visible and responsive before moving on. From the main dashboard, go to the menu, then select Account, then Domains, and after that, open the Manage Domains section. This area is where Google lists the domain properties currently connected to the account. If you're responsible for administration or routine maintenance, this section is especially useful because it gives you a quick overview of what is actively being managed. Once you're in Manage Domains, take a moment to review the full list of active domain properties shown on the page. This listing helps you confirm exactly which domains are present under management. As you look through it, pay attention to the domain names displayed and make sure the list matches what you expect to see. This is a helpful habit if you manage more than one domain or if you're auditing account settings. Next, look specifically at the status column. This field shows the current state of each domain, and it's the easiest way to confirm whether a domain is active. You'll want to check that the domains you rely on are showing an active status. If you're reviewing multiple entries, move through the list carefully so you don't miss any changes or unusual statuses. This part is important because it gives you a quick health check of your domain setup without having to open each item right away. After confirming the status, click View Details for the domain you want to inspect more closely. In the Details view, you'll be able to see the upcoming annual domain renewal date. This is useful for planning ahead and making sure renewals are not overlooked. Keeping an eye on renewal timing can help prevent service interruptions and avoid last-minute administrative work.